In this video, I'll be using the classic pattern brushes from my Procreate Studio Vault. If you haven't picked them up yet, you'll find the link in the description below. So we'll begin with the timeless Argyle motif. Head over to the classic session and select the Argyle 1A brush. If you have my dress templates, I'm using outfit 3 for this demo. For color, I'm choosing black from the Studio Vault 3 palette. Just like that, the brush lays down the Argyle design for you, totally effortless and stylish. This time, I want to blend two shades together, so I'm starting with pink. See how seamless and efficient these pattern brushes are? You don't need to recreate the same designs by hand. Now I'll hide the pink layer, switch to purple, and apply the pattern again. I'll turn the pink layer back on, and before I do anything else, I'll make a copy just to keep the original safe. Then select the transform tool, move it slightly to fill in any open spaces. So by layering different colors, you can achieve unique and custom effects for your projects. Next, let's explore the classic Plaid pattern. Select the Plaid 1B brush under Classics. Add a new clipping marks layer, and I'll apply a warm orange from Studio Vault 3. Since I may want to adjust the angle later, I'm extending the pattern beyond the dress edge. I'll switch to another color and continue applying the pattern, again making sure it reaches past the outline. As always, I duplicate the layer before making any edits. Now I'll rotate the pattern 45 degrees and tweak it for the perfect look. Just like that, you've got a fresh take using the same Plaid brush. Let's return to our original Plaid. I'll shift the blue layer slightly downward for a subtle variation. And there you have another distinct style. So feel free to use more colors and experiment with the brush to make your designs truly your own. Now let's try out the Houndstooth pattern. I'm using the Houndstooth 2 brush for this one. Select black and paint the pattern beyond the dress outline. Then swap to red and repeat those steps. Next, I'll select the black layer and reposition it to cover any empty areas. So these are just a few examples from my collections of classic pattern brushes. If you want to experiment with even more instant patterns, you can check out my Procreate Studio Vault. You'll find the link down in the description. Inside, you'll find over 150 unique brushes with almost 300 variations, ready to make fabric designs, color palettes, and plenty of Procreate tutorial videos. And I'm pretty confident my Procreate Fashion Studio Vault will help you create fashion illustrations that are easier and quicker than ever before. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next lesson.